Good boy. Good boy. Oh. That's done. Good boy.
Come on, Frank. I think they have a toy in a minute.